Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Cash App account. Now what you are going to do is that you're just going to download Cash App on the Google Play Store, and once downloading it, you're just going to open it and then you will be redirected here. You can just go ahead and enter your phone number or your email. So for this particular tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address. Now after entering your email address, Cash App is going to send you a confirmation code in your email address. And what you are going to do is just basically enter it here. After typing your confirmation code, you will be redirected here, wherein you will be asked to link a bank using your debit card. Now you can just go ahead and link a bank account right now, or you can just go ahead and click the skip button down below. And then of course Cash App is going to be asking you for your name, so you can type here your first name as well as your last name. And after doing that, Cash App is going to give you your cash tag. So basically, this is your unique name. You can use this one if you're going to get paid by anyone. But I strongly suggest for you to change this one. I want you to personalize it. And after that, you can just go ahead and click the next button down below. After clicking the next button, you will be asked for your zip code. So go ahead and type your zip code here. And after that, you can invite friends. And after inviting them, you will be able to receive $15. Yep, you can do it right now, or you can skip this part. So if you're going to skip this part, for example, you will be redirected here, wherein you can start using your Cash App right away. And that is how you're going to set up a Cash App account.